How to cancel my YouTube TV account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser of your choice on your device, whether mobile device or laptop or PC, and after that go to the address bar and type tv.youtube.com and simply open it up. This is how it will appear. Now your profile logo will be there on the top right hand side corner. Just simply click on it and then click on the option of settings. And after that you will be able to find the option of membership. Now whatever membership you are currently in, you will be able to see about it. Now click on the option of manage. Since I'm not in any of the plan, that's why it is not showing as manage. For you, the manage option will appear right beside that particular plan. Just simply click on that particular plan and click on manage. After that, you will be able to find the option of cancel. Simply select the option of cancel. It will ask you to pause your plan, rather go with the cancellation rather than pausing your plan. So just simply go ahead, select the reason why you are canceling your plan, and after that you will be able to cancel it up. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.